My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the site News-rapera.cc. Speaking about these pop-ups, News-rapera.cc, they mainly attack Google Chrome browser. These pop-ups display pretty misleading messages that try to encourage people into clicking on the allow button, supposedly to help them watch the video. In reality, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow because in this case the browser will be hijacked. You'll start getting the great portion of advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the right part of it. So to deactivate these ads, access the menu, choose settings, then choose security and privacy, then site settings, go to permissions and choose notifications. Research the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this news repairer, remove it from the list. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and begin researching your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.